Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Leadpages for sales page branding step by step clearly. Visit the Leadpages website at www.leadpages.com. Click on the Get Started button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Choose a pricing plan that suits your needs. Fill in your email address and create a password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Click on Continue to proceed with your registration. You'll be taken to a setup page where you will enter your business information. Fill in your business name and website URL in the provided fields. Select your industry from the drop-down menu. Choose your target audience to help tailor your experience. Click on Next to move to the next step. Now select the goal for your sales page, such as collecting emails or selling products. Browse through the template options available for your sales page. Pick a template that resonates with your branding. Once you've selected a template, click on Edit to customize it. Add your brand logo and adjust the color scheme to match your branding. Incorporate any images, videos, or text that aligns with your sales pitch. After customizing your page, click on Save to retain your changes. Preview your sales page to ensure everything looks professional. When satisfied, click on Publish to make your sales page live. You'll receive a link to your published sales page, which you can share. Return to your Leadpages dashboard to view and manage your pages easily. Explore additional features to enhance your sales page, like email integrations or A/B testing. Now you are all set with your Leadpages registration and sales page branding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.